Okay, so I braided my hair and washed my hair earlier today, and now I am ready to take these braids down. They've been in the whole day, so from about 8 a.m. up until now they are coming off, and right now it's about 6:30, 7 p.m. so they've been in for quite a bit of time. I actually didn't plan on doing this today. I just wanted to wash my hair because my hair has been very itchy. I'm not sure what these results are gonna look like, but we will see in a little bit. But as I undo my braids, I'd like to give you an update about what's going on this week. So this week I've used less product on my hair, and I think my hair is fine with that. I think it's doing much better than it was, and the sun is going down. So this week I've used less product on my hair, and I would say it is the best thing that I've done for my hair. I only used rose water to moisturize it, and I think I'm just gonna continue on with that. So already first thought as I look at this, the waves are not as like tight as I would like them to be. The curl pattern is not like a curly curl pattern, it's more like a loose wave, which is okay. I like my hair when it's straight. However, I like volume. I really like thick hair when it has a lot of body. So that's what I'm hoping to achieve. I'm just gonna show you the back as I do that. This is a really quick style to do, guys. If you're looking for something to make your hair look like it's thicker than it actually is, like right now, already looking at my hair, if my hair wasn't in the braid out, it would look like it was like stuck to my face. But right now, since it's this way, it has a little bit thickness, and I'm dropping rubber bands all over. So you can do these braids throughout your head, just the single ones. I just wanted to see the difference. Usually I do the cornrows, but this morning I decided let me try something else. If you want a tighter curl pattern, of course you'd have to do smaller cornrows. If you want a looser wave pattern, you do bigger ones and less of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off. When my locks were really short, I loved braid outs and twist outs because they just made my hair feel like it was styled and it was really like it was doing something without it actually doing something. So I'm just gonna quickly undo this. Oh, this might be a look for the summer. When I have my hair in twist outs or braid outs, I don't feel the need to mess with it or do any styles because I feel like it's already styled. The thing that I'm gonna have to figure out is how to preserve this. Like, I don't want to braid it every night to hold the style or the wave pattern because I'm a very low maintenance type of person. Maybe I'll just put a bonnet on my hair. This is great for starter locks. When my locks were very new, I did this a lot, just to give it a different feel, a different look. I'm gonna go ahead and do the side so you can take a look at this. And this light, please forgive this light. Maybe I should just move this way so that it's not so, the sun's coming out, so we're going down. I'm just gonna give my hair a shake. And y'all, I think I'm gonna switch this part a little bit. That's the only thing. If you set a part a specific way, you have to stick with it. But how cute is this? Super easy, super quick to do. I don't know if the locks would dry if you took them out earlier than I have right now. I am feeling some parts are still a little bit damp, but I'm really, really happy with how it's turned out. I'm gonna rock this for a few days until the wave pattern drops, but here I go. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like up close. My part stayed. Remember, this is where I parted it when I did the braids because I wanted it to stay this way. Of course, this works out so much better when your hair, I thought I heard something, when your hair is retwisted versus when you have new growth. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like. All right. So that is the end result. I hope that this helps somebody. This is a twist out that's different than how I've usually done my twist outs before. I think this was faster. If I look back at how I used to do my twist outs or how I did my twist out routine, I don't know why I was taking so long. So if you're considering doing a braid out, and I keep saying twist out, if I try, if I was to do a braid out again, I would do it this way. That would not complicate it. Actually, locks are not complicated. I think we just overcomplicate them, but it should be pretty easy. So I hope this is a style that somebody can try. I'm really excited about the turnout. I love braid outs when you have a new growth. Of course, your part won't be as flat as it is right now because your hair will be growing in, but I just love how that looks. But this is the look that I'm gonna be rocking for the next few days. You can style your hair differently, but I am in the process of growing out my edges. So I'm looking for styles that can cover them up. As you can see, they need some help, but anyways, enjoy. I'm gonna probably share pictures of how I'm gonna style this hair on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you wanna see what I'm doing with this hair for the next couple of days. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Subscribe if you're interested in more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.